Most people get this wrong. They try to make a magazine website without a clear structure, and it ends up looking messy. Today, he'll walk you through a full tutorial to create a professional magazine website on Wix step by step. First, sign up for a Wix account and choose a template. Wix has magazine and news-specific templates that are pre-designed for articles, images, and multimedia content. Pick one that matches your style. Don't worry, you can customize everything later. Next, structure your homepage. A clean homepage should have a featured article section, category sections, and a newsletter sign-up form. Use Wix drag and drop editor to place images, article cards, and buttons. Most people get this wrong by cluttering the homepage. Keep it simple and visually appealing. Add categories for your magazine, whether it's lifestyle, tech, or travel. Organize your content so readers can easily navigate. Wix allows you to create menus and submenus that are intuitive for visitors. Now, add your first articles. Each article should have a headline, a featured image, body text, and a read more button linking to the full article page. Use Wix blog tool. It automatically formats posts for readability. Don't forget SEO. Add meta titles, descriptions, and keywords to improve search rankings. Finally, test your website on mobile. Most Wix templates are mobile responsive, but make sure images and text display correctly. Set up analytics to track visitor behavior and engagement. In conclusion, building a magazine website on Wix is straightforward if you plan your structure, use the right template, and focus on clean design and navigation. It's perfect for writers, content creators, and small teams who want a professional online presence quickly. Subscribe for more step-by-step website tutorials and tips to make your site look amazing.